And we now turn you over to the press briefing of Senator TG Ginggona.
We will let you know at the proper time.
Okay, Jam, and then Milky Rigonen.
Ano ko dapat nyo kay Mean? Pero balikan ko na, follow up na lang dun sa tanong ni Jinky. Sir, just for the record, bakit nga po ba Napoles NGOs lang yung tinututukan so far? At parang wala
yes.
pong plans to expand to other NGOs?
The resolution kasi of Senator Chis Escudero specifically states that it is the Janet Lim Napoles scam. So yun ang basihan, yung resolution that it was referred to us.
So Milky and then Nympha.
Senator Ginggona, magpapatawag po ba kayo ng hearing pa rin kahit naka-break ang session?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
Pag na-sign na yung subpoena?
Yes.
Number 2, sir, merong recommendation, Senator Miriam, for Attorney Gigi Reyes to be a state witness.
I wouldn't like to comment on that, Milky. I'm not competent to pass a judgment on that.
Okay, Nympha.
Sir, kaya po nahihirapan na ang Blue Ribbon Committee na tawagin si Janet Napoles is because ang inisyu po ninyo ay subpoena kaagad-agad, sir, kaya kailangan pirmahan ng Senate President. Sir, bakit hindi nyo ba susubukan ng invitation para hindi kailangan ng pirma ng Senate President?
Napag-isipan na namin yun lang, we thought time was of the essence and sana it would be today, nandun din yung mga whistleblowers. This would be a good ending because nandun yung whistleblowers, maghaharapan sila. The problem with an invitation is you can say yes to the invitation and you can also say no. And if they say no, you can't do anything.
You haven't tried, sir.
We wouldn't like that to happen to the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. So we'd rather go on a compulsory process of the subpoena. But we've thought about that. Thank you, Nympha.
Sir, follow-up lang.
And belated happy birthday.
4 na araw na. So, sir, what would that make of the Senate kung hindi po ninyo maiimbita o maisasabpina si Napoles and kung patuloy na magre-refuse ang Senate President?
Kung patuloy, we have our options. We have our options, we know our options, and we will exercise them at the proper time.
Okay, Chona.
Sir, follow-up lang doon kay Ate Nympha. So, kung hindi reconsider ni Senator Drilon, punta kayo ng Supreme Court?
You cannot go to the Supreme Court on, first of all, yung sa ombudsman, it's just an advice. Okay? So, iba yung kung merong mando. Pero ito, advice lang. So, you cannot go to the Supreme Court on that. Secondly, the power to approve the subpoena lies in the sole discretion of the Senate President. So, hindi rin pwede iakyat sa Supreme Court.
Sir, may follow pa daw si Nympha.
Sir, ano yung isang option? Change in leadership o i-veto nyo si Senate
No,
President?
nothing of that sort. Nympha.
Okay, Marlo and then Grace.
Sir, medyo lilis lang ako. Babalikan ko lang yung nangyari kahapon. Sa tingin ninyo, kanino tumama yung privilege speech kahapon ni Senador Jinggoy Estrada?
I wasn't able to catch everything.
Pero una ho, yung investigation ng Blue Ribbon ng under siege doon kahapon.
Yes, he is begrudging me for my conduct as chairman of the Blue Ribbon in conducting the Blue Ribbon investigation hearings. But that being said, would want to state that I'm just doing my job. Trabaho lang ito para sa taong bayan.
Okay, Grace and then Mean again.
Sir, sabi niyo po kanina yung basis ng hearing ninyo, yung reso ni Cheese. So, paano po yung Malampaya Fund saka yung iba pang NGOs? Wala bang chance na masakop o kailangan may mag-file uli ng another reso po?
Actually, kung maalala nyo, magandang tanong, kung maalala nyo, meron na akong Malampaya Fund probe na hindi ko pa sinasara. Yan yung tinawag ko, yung namatay na, yung pinatay, murdered, what you heard? Dr. Jerry Ortega, yes, if you remember. So, that can be the continuation because it is the Malampaya Fund.
Kasi di ba dati si Senator Cheese nag-motion siya to expand the coverage?
Yes, we can also do that. We can also do that.
Okay, Mean.
Sir, sabi
Mean.
niyo, maganda sana kung
Sinapoles and yung whistleblower. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mag-i-end yung hearing until dumating... I mean, you see this going through and
Actually,
through without Napoles.
Without Napoles, bitin. Hindi malaman ng taong bayan ang buong kwento. Kasi even the name of the title of the scam is called Napoles PADPIDAF scam. So she is the main actor. So she has to be brought to tell her story.
You see her appearance as the finale, at least.
Yes.
Okay, Ruby, and then Norman, and then Jinky.
Nabitin po kayo, baka mabitin po eh. By hook or by crook kukunin niyo si Napoles? And will you consider a
Not by crook.
Fort Santo Domingo hearing, sir?
Let's cross it when let's exercise our options when it's proper.
Okay, Norman.
Sir, kahapon yung binanggit ni Senator Jinggoy yung 50 million pesos.
Yes,
Saka yung
yes.
supposedly private and confidential letter from the then...
I don't know anything about that letter, and if the issue is, was there any offer for votes in any of those binanggit na mga issues, then there is none.
But sir, there was a letter. Was there a letter and
I'm not aware of it. I'm not aware of it.
additional 50 million in projects wala rin, sir?
Well, if the issue was to connect it to the voting, then there was none.
But there was additional allocation afterwards, after the impeachment.
At some point later on, very, very much later on.
Okay, Jinky, and then Nea. Jinky.
May follow-up lang siya. Sir, how much was the additional allocation?
50.
50 rin.
50.
Okay
Okay, Jinky.
Ako na?
Okay, Jinky.
Okay, sandali lang, bagong question ko. Sir, kailan daw binigay? Gaano katagal, kailan daw binigay? Question nila yun, sir, ah?
My last three question kasi Senator TJ is not feeling well.
Sir, kailan daw binigay?
Oo. We checked our records, it was December.
Ato, question ko to. Wait lang. Sir, alam namin, sinabi mo na kanina paulit-ulit, may options po kayo, alam niyo po yung options ninyo. Sir, enlighten lang kami, yung process lang, halimbawang ayaw talaga ng Senate President, majority of the senators wanted him to actually sign that particular subpoena. Anong ginagawa ninyo if that's the case, even if it's not Napoles? Ano po yun? Anong ginagawa niyo usually?
There are no rules on that. There are no rules on that.
Pero po, sir, na kapag-usapan yun. Nababalik ba ang desisyon ng Senate President kapag gano'n?
Yes, dapat siguro merong usapan, may caucus, yes.
So pwedeng ma-overturn, sir?
We will exercise our options when the time is proper.
Okay, Nea.
I-expect natin next hearing kung hindi po mapirmahan yung subpoena for Janet Napoles.
Kung hindi mapirmahan, well, we have to wait until mapirmahan.
Okay. Sir, paano po yung schedule natin ng next hearing?
Okay, last
Okay.
question na kasi masama pa
Kahapon,
ng Senator
parang
TJ.
natuwang-tuwa si former CJ Corona dahil ang pakiramdam niya ay vindicated siya dun sa mga in-expose dito na yung Senator Estrada. Vindicated ba talaga siya o kaya bumoto sa sang-ayon sa konsensya?
I already said that all the votes on issues are not subject to any offers. There was no exchange for anything.
Okay, with that, thank you very much.
Yan po ang naging maikling press briefing ni Senador TG Ginggona dito pa rin po sa Senado. Inyo po napanood live lahat ito. Hinahatid po ng Telebisyon ng Bayan na buong buo ang mga naging pagdinig sa nakalipas na buwan.
Tama ka, Ati. At mukhang ito ang huling araw ng ating live coverage dito sa Senado. At pero maaasahan po ng taong bayan at tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang pagkuha ng impormasyon ng Telebisyon ng Bayan dito sa Senado sa Session Hall. At kung babalik po syempre ang primary witness na si Janet Lim Napoles, makikita niyo po kaming muli dito kasama po ang aming mga guests, ang aming mga resource persons at live na live niyo po kaming mapapanood dito sa Senado.
At hindi pa rin po matatapos ang pagmamatyag nating lahat sa isyong ito. Sigurado po ako mapag-uusapan pa rin po ito sa forum, sa special forum ng inyong telebisyon ng bayan. Kaya po tutukan po natin itong napakahalagang issue na ito dahil ito po ay sa ating lahat bilang mga mamamayang Pilipino at bilang mga taxpayer.
At dito natin naantabayanan rin ang sinasabi nga ng Blue Ribbon Committee that they are considering to expand the scope of investigation. So hindi naman po ito talaga ang pagwawakas ng ating pagsisiyasat. Subalit patuloy pa rin tayong magmamatyag hanggang sa mga susunod na developments dito.
Bago po kami tuloy ang magpaalam, nais po naming pasalamatan ang team namin dito ng Telebisyon ng Bayan at maging ang Senate Prib, Senate Security at ang mga tumulong po sa amin na kumuha ng ating mga panauhin, ng mga staff po ng mga senador.
Tama ka.
And magpapaalam na po kami. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtutok sa special coverage, ang pagsisiyasat PDAP skandalo. Ako po, si Cathy San Gabriel.
At ako naman po si Attorney JJ Jimeno Atienza. Salamat po sa pagtangkilik ninyo sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.